something special.
Ah, hello, Gordon Freeman. It's good to see you.
Oh! No.
Stop it right now. Don't even think about it. I am so... Where are you?
You only exist because I let you.
Simon. Thank you.
Auf der Heide blüht ein kleines Blüt.
Here comes, here comes, here comes, here comes, here comes the boy.
When you're cooking breakfast, you know, you gotta have all the essentials. This is the most important.
He's just wondering if you got your photos printed? Photos printed? What?
Daddy,
Ohayo.
Mowgli, drop the rat. God damn it. Quit bringing birds in here.
Dinner.
Sorry, mate. Sneaking past you. Thank you.
bruh, I'm hearing thunder outside. It's making me a little scared. What do you have to say about that?
I turned around to see this. She's sleepy and didn't even make it onto the bed.
For you, little Uzi, a Rob Zombie poster.
Hey man, this look pretty good, man. Where your clothes at?
What the f is wrong with you? What the f is wrong with you, you little shithead?
Punch me. Oh my gosh, why did you do that? That hurt.
I'm sorry. You did this to yourself.
So what are you gonna say at my funeral now that you've killed me?
Oh. Hello. I love you. I love you. I love you. He said I love you, right? I love you too.
I keep that MF thing on me.
Bob, is Johnny in the bag?
He's got Johnny in the bag.
He's got Johnny.
Bob. Bob.
Can you let him out?
Bob.
Oh yes. Squishy, squishy. Squishy, squishy. Squish. Fucking hell.
Ike, you have to be honest. Am I ugly, yes or no?
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to.
Do you feel manhandled? Or monkey handled? Why are you shaped like that, dude?
How has she got in the chair?
Well, thought I'd try out my sea legs.
But you ain't got no legs, Lieutenant Dane.
Yes, I know that.
Right. I'm gonna let you in, but do not climb up that curtain. Got it?
Dude, I just spent like 10 minutes looking for her. Hi! You're so sneaky.
Excuse me. Oh!
Okay! Barbie!
No, this isn't even a real Barbie. You've got a real Barbie at home that Santa gave you a few weeks ago.
Call me a fat Barbie. I'm a skinny Barbie.
It's not fat.
Nobody asked.
Why is it spicy?
Man, you ain't even had to do me like that, pimp. You ain't even had to do me like. Hey, this man, hey, this man just. I don't want to do this no more.
Oh, okay. Sick.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe I got this on video.
Hey dude, if you don't tuck your legs in right now, I'm gonna chop them off. Good boy.